Hello mga person. So, kumusta yung ating Mother's Day dyan? So, by the way guys, mag-share ang person. Second batch of my gift from Shane or my asawa. So, this is from Shane. So, I ordered from Shane. So, this is a big gift from Shane. Tchadan! So, open na natin kung ano ang nasa loob ng Shane. This is Andes. So this is the Andes. And this is it. The Andes. This is a dress. A dress from Shein. Ta-dang! So it is a gown. A gown. So it is a gown, guys. This is the first one, and then this is the other one. Ta-da! So it's a dress, a simple dress. So it is a long dress. Square pants. It's a jumpsuit. Then this is for my asawa. So I didn't open that. And then another dress. Ta-da! I can use this if going for very nice. This also a dress. Then this is Andes. And then this one. Tchadan! It's a big heavy. I'm lucky because my asawa give me this. This is also a cute like that. Cute. So this is jumpsuit, guys. It's not sexy. So it's also jumpsuit. Then this is my free. And then tchadan! This is a swimsuit. Swimsuit. Ta-da! So one piece. So it is done. That is only. So guys, thanks for watching. That is my second gift from Shein. That asawa. That is I ordered. So that is the cost of 10,000. That is not really 10,000. That is only 4,000 or 3,000 something. So that is only. So but anyway guys, thanks for watching.